I was like one of the free-range chickens that staked the chicken farm. Oh no, there's another one out there. Well, I meant to be out this far. Yep. I don't think they're meant to be out there. There's the chicken farm in the distance. That's the chicken farm. And there's the chicken. That's two. Yeah, so that's at least two chickens that staked the farm, which is all fenced off over there. In a minute, there's a third chicken. My God. Yep, that's the chicken. They're losing their stock. I think I'm going to raid it this way. Ooh. Over there. Holy 4. Make that 4. I don't think they're meant to be out this far. Oh dear. Yes they are, they're going to get splattered or something, wouldn't it? Doesn't stay on even.